Japan don vex well because say President Donald Trump don compare the Iran strike to wetin happen for Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Japan too don finally execute one man wey kill 9 pipo say e dey help dem die. Dat na small for today tori. Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for world, we go dey run am here the way you sabi am. Oya make we enter the gist for today. Japan don vex for US President Donald Trump as e compare recent US strikes for Iran to wetin happen for Hiroshima and Nagasaki wey end World War II. Trump talk say dat heat end the war, say e no wan use Hiroshima and Nagasaki as example, but na the same thing. Japan no take am funny at all. Nagasaki Mayor Shiro Suzuki say if Trump dey try justify atomic bomb drop, e dey very regrettable for dem wey dem bomb before. Survivors of the attack too vex. Mimaki Toshiyuki from advocacy group Nihon Hidankyo call Trump talk unacceptable, while another member, Teruko Yokoyama, say e dey very angry. People for Hiroshima even do protest on Thursday. They demand make Trump withdraw wetin e talk. Lawmakers for there still pass resolution wey condemn any talk wey dey justify atomic bombs, and dem beg make countries dey settle fight peacefully. Trump make the comment as e dey try dismiss leaked intel wey talk say US strike on Iran only slow their nuclear program small. Trump insist say the strikes obliterate the program for decades, something wey CIA Director John Ratcliffe support. Japan na the only country wey dem don bomb with nuclear weapon, and Hiroshima still get peace flame wey dey burn since the 1960s to show say dem no want nuclear war again. Israel Attorney General don reject Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu request make dem shift im testimony date because of security reasons, according to reports. The Attorney General talk say the excuse wey Netanyahu give no strong reach to cancel 2 weeks of hearing. The corruption trial go continue on Monday. Netanyahu bin dey face bribery, fraud and breach of trust charges since dem indict am for 2019, but e dey deny everything. Whereas US President Donald Trump don post for social media dey beg Israeli government make dem cancel the trial or pardon Netanyahu, say the whole case na witch hunt. When dem close poll for UK on July 4, 2024, Labour Party don already dey sure say dem go enter government, even though e shock dem small. Prime Minister Starmer talk say dat night na incredible moment, but e also dey aware say e carry big responsibility. E even admit say e vex small say im landslide no big reach Tony Blair own for 1997. The mood sweet dat time, but e no take time before wahala start. As e dey mark 1 year for office, Starmer dey battle plenty wahala for UK and abroad. Politics don reach one kind crossroad wey no get old rules again. One reason why the political honeymoon short for am na say many of im new cabinet members no get government experience before. Dem just waka enter Downing Street for the first time on 5th July. As opposition leader, Starmer dey meet civil servants for secret meeting to sabi wetin dey happen for Ukraine and Middle East. E even dey talk regularly with Jake Sullivan, US National Security Advisor, wey say Starmer dey ask sharp questions and e sabi the matter well. But for UK, the preparations no smooth. People like Sharon Graham from Unit Union talk say Labour campaign too cautious. Dem say people dey find real change, no be just manager style. Canada Parliament don pass one new law wey go give Prime Minister Mark Carney power to quickly approve big national projects. Dem call am the One Canadian Economy Act, and Senate don clear am on Thursday. The law go make cabinet fit jump some federal rules to fast-track anything wey fit boost economy, like pipeline, electricity grid, mining and port expansion. Carney talk say e go break trade barrier, speed up nation-building projects, and bring economic growth with indigenous partnership as center. The law come as Canada dey try reduce dependence on US, especially after President Donald Trump imposed tariff on Canadian steel and motor industry. Kani promise for elections say e go remove interprovincial barriers before July 1st, but indigenous groups and environmental activists dey vex. Dem say the law go make government sideline their voice. Senator Paul Prosper from Mi'kmaq Group try put amendment make indigenous people gree first before any project, but e fail. E tok say the law dey rush and dem for fit consult people well if dem invest more months. Senator Hassan Yusuf, wey support the bill, tok say the thing na urgent crisis. Government still tok say dem go consult indigenous people before dem fast-track any project. CCTV don show the moment wey one 67-year-old South Korean man pour flammable liquid for inside metro train for Seoul before e set am ablaze on 31st May. Seoul Southern District Prosecutor's Office release the video. 6 people injure for the wahala. Some get smoke inhalation while one person sprain ankle as dem dey run comot. No life lost. Authorities don charge the man with attempted murder and arson. More than 1/3 of Tuvalu citizens don enter ballot for Australia new climate visa wey go allow dem waka go live permanent for Australia. The visa program open 16 June, but e don already get over 1,124 applications by 27 June. This one cover about 4,052 people, including family. Yet, na only 280 visa dem go give each year from the random ballots. Australia government tok say the visa na big move to help people wey dey face wahala for climate change. Tuvalu na small island nation for Pacific wey dey only 5 meters above sea level and dey among the most threatened by climate wahala. If dem win, visa holders go get permanent residency for Australia, fit travel in and out freely, and go enjoy things like Medicare, school subsidy, and other support like Australian citizens. The visa na part of the Australia-Tuvalu-Philippine Union when dem announced for August 2024, where Australia promised to help Tuvalu for disaster, health emergencies, and even military wahala. Scientists from NASA predict say by 2050, most of Tuvalu land and infrastructure go dey under high tide level. India don refuse to sign joint statement for Shanghai Cooperation Organization (SCO) summit wey happen for China, say the statement no talk about their worry about terrorism. Foreign Ministry spokesperson Radia Jaswal tok say one country no gree make India consign dey inside. E no call the country name, but Indian media tok say na because the statement no mention the Pahalgam attack wey kill 26 tourists for Indian-administered Kashmir. India dey blame Pakistan say dem hide the group wey do the attack, but Pakistan don deny am. SCO na group wey China, Russia, and 4 Central Asian countries start for 2001 to reduce Western influence. India and Pakistan join for 2017. This last meeting na for SCO defense ministers before the leaders summit wey go happen later. Reports tok say India see the statement as pro-Pakistan because e mention militant wahala for Balochistan but skip the Pahalgam attack. Pakistan dey accuse India say dem dey support Balochistan freedom fighters, but India say e no be true. After the meeting, Defense Minister Rajnath Singh tell SCO make dem hold people wey dey do cross-border terrorism accountable. E no call Pakistan name, but say some countries dey use terrorism as policy and dey protect terrorists. India Aviation Ministry don confirm say dem don recover data from the flight recorders of the Air India plane wey crash this month, wey kill at least 270 people. The London-bound Boeing 7878 Dreamliner crashed less than 1 minute after e take off on 12 June from Ahmedabad Airport. Investigators find the 2 black boxes, one for cockpit voice, the other for flight data, on 13 and 16 June, one for rooftop and the other inside debris. The recorders go help dem check wetin pilot talk and all the plane settings before the crash. The data go take some weeks to analyze finish, but the team from India Aircraft Accident Investigation Bureau and US National Transportation Safety Board don start the work. US National Transportation Safety Board's chairman Jennifer Homedy tok say she hope say India go release the findings quick, make people sabi wetin happen. The crash happen when Flight 171 take off around 1:39 p.m. local time, but send mayday call almost immediately before e fall for crowded area. e kill almost everybody on board except one person. Japan don carry out death sen ten ce for Takahiro Shirashi, the man wey murder 9 pipo for 2017, na di first execution since 2022. Dem call am di Twitter killer because e use Twitter wey dem dey call X now take lure most of im victims, young women between 15 and 26, come im house. E promise dem say e go help dem die, sometimes even tok say e go kill imsef wit dem. Wen police waka reach im apartment for Zama near Tokyo October 2017, dem find body parts inside cooler and toolbox. Di place come get name for media as House of Horrors. Shirashi confess say e kill di 9 suicidal victims and later tok say e no get dia consent at all. Im lawyer bin dey try argue say na murder with consent so dem go reduce di punishment, but e deny dat one imsef. Court sen ten ce am to death for December 2020 and plenty pipo show face for di verdict. Di murder still make Twitter change dia rules, tok say pipo no suppose to dey promote or encourage suicide or self-harm for di platform. And di last one for today, celebrities like Kim Kardashian, Bill Gates and Oprah Winfrey don begin enter Venice for the big wedding of Amazon founder Jeff Bezos and Lauren Sanchez. Dem see usher Kylie Jenner and Ivanka Trump enter water taxi go the lavish ceremony wey go happen this weekend. The wedding dey expected to cost over 40 million euros. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Guffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.